One of the world's smallest fish is no larger than a human fingernail, but what it lacks in size it makes up for in sound, producing the sonic equivalent of a bullet blasting from the barrel of a gun. News.com has learned that scientists finally discovered how the tiny creature is able to create a noise louder than trumpeting elephants. Researchers from Charité University in Berlin were determined to figure out how the transparent fish, whose scientific name is Danionella cerebrum, makes sounds exceeding 140 decibels at the diminutive length of about 12 millimeters, with the smallest brains of any bony animals. To put that in perspective, a .22 caliber rifle shoots off at about 140 decibels, according to the American Speech-Language Hearing Association. A firecracker or jet engine just 330 feet away would also be equivalent, Smithsonian Magazine reported. The sound production mechanism of the pulses generated by D. cerebrum has been a mystery, the team from Berlin wrote in a paper published by the PNAS journal on Monday, February 26, adding that such a loud noise is highly unusual for an animal of its size. While most fish create noise through vibrations of the swim bladder, a gas-filled organ that keeps them afloat, scientists have found this was not the case for Danionella cerebrum. Using a combination of high-speed video recordings, gene expression profiling and simulations, the researchers discovered a unique sound production mechanism that involves a drumming cartilage, a specialized rib, and a dedicated muscle adapted for low fatigue, according to the study. This allows the fish to accelerate the drumming cartilage at extreme forces and generate rapid, loud pulses, the scientists said, adding that only males produce the sound in social contexts. In other words, as The Guardian explains, to produce sound, a rib that lies next to the swim bladder is moved by a special muscle into a piece of cartilage. When the rib is released, it hits the swim bladder and makes the drumming sound. The rib is much harder in males, which explains why females do not produce sounds. The researchers said they suspect this ability could help the animals navigate murky ocean conditions or serve as a signal of aggression. The findings also challenge a widely held scientific belief that skeletal movement is limited by muscle action, the team added. Understanding this extraordinary adaptation expands our knowledge of animal motion and highlights the remarkable diversity of propulsion mechanisms across species, contributing to our broader understanding of evolutionary biology and biomechanics, the researchers concluded. The fish are found throughout the streams of the Bago Yoma mountain range in Myanmar, according to Smithsonian Magazine.